Hello travelers, tonight you will join me on my trip from the United States to Chiang Mai, Thailand. I chose to travel from the US on January 8th out through the 11th. It was pretty flawless. I arrived at my hotel late that night by taxi, very safe, quick, and efficient. So here's my hotel. Very big, great for the money at the time of filming. $1 was equal to about 34 baht. So I'm just showing you like the eating space. It had a little kitchen, a little place to eat, great view, balcony. And then we're just gonna go straight into the bedroom area. So I like that you can open up these doors to make it more spacious, or you can close it off for privacy. And yeah, actually I think it was just really good for the money. Very clean, everyone was really nice, very professional. Sometimes in the US, we don't get that. Heading into the living space. Don't mind my mess. I definitely just got in, took everything out, and started filming this video for you guys. Heading into the bathroom. There's something missing in here, and I'm gonna let you try to figure out what it is before I tell ya. But that was a culture shock for me. Yep, here's the shower, very spacious, and boom, you see that right there? Ain't no toilet paper. There's just that little bitty hose. So yes, I ended up going expeditiously to the store. And the next morning, I ended up going to this Wawa cafe. I absolutely love this cafe. I believe it's probably like a chain or something, but I just loved everything about it. The atmosphere, everybody's just chilling out, doing their work, having their cafe, and the staff was super duper nice. I just got a tea, and it was delicious. So I don't know about anybody else, but every time that I am out and about, especially in a new city, or a new country, I love to just watch the traffic and watch everybody as they move about their day and just feel the liveliness and the culture and the attitude of the city. So hopefully you also enjoy stuff like that. I was just standing outside of the 7-Eleven, just enjoying being in a new country. These little red buses here, you guys, first of all, if you want to get around cheaply, you could definitely ride one of these. They're 40 baht. So as I said earlier, like $1 is like 35 baht. So this is less than $1. Tell the guy where you want to go and you're on your way. Yeah, so today I'm not going to be taking one of those little red buses. Instead, I'm going to be walking and just enjoying the weather. The weather was absolutely amazing. There's another one of those little tuk-tuks. I don't even think they're called tuk-tuks here. I will put the name somewhere. However, you just tell them where you want to go, hop in the bag, you're on your way. But today, we're just going to be walking, and we are walking to a nearby shopping center called Maya Lifestyle Shopping Center. You guys wait until you see this. It is amazing. It is futuristic. It is clean. You can just spend all day in there. And look at the back of that. Like, basically you just get on in there and you hold on tight. So yeah, I have not had the pleasure of riding in one, but it doesn't seem like there's probably seat belts. So yeah, right at your own risk. And we finally made it over to our shopping center. And this shopping center was absolutely beautiful, high-tech, clean, quiet. I just walked around and I did a little bit of shopping. I went to this store, I believe it was called Mochi or Mochi Mochi or something like that. And basically it's like a Japanese dollar store that they had. They sell like all of these different cute little items. Picked up a couple of those things, If you would like to see the things that I purchased, please let me know and I'll be happy to make a haul video of the things that I bought in Thailand. The food, very affordable. I just walked around and looked at the different things that they had to eat. Didn't really get anything because later, as you'll see, I went to the night market and I ate there for great prices. And here I am just showing you my little bag of goodies that I got from Mochi Mochi. Yeah, I just continue to walk around and enjoy it. So I'm going to stop talking here and let you enjoy the tour. And then finally, I went to the night market. I had some authentic Thailand cuisine at the night market. It was a very, very affordable price. I can put those prices down below for you. Definitely had the mango sticky rice and a soup that had chicken in it. It was spicy and delicious. That's it, everyone. It was a really great trip, really short trip, and I can't wait to go back to Thailand.